Hi, friends. Today we're going to learn more about parts of sentences and learn more about how to write sentences. So we're going to start by looking at this picture that I have on the screen of the story that we read this week, Biscuit. When I start to write a sentence about a picture, I want to ask myself two questions. I want to ask who or what is in this picture and what is happening. What is the person or the animal or the thing doing? So when I write, I want to think about my sentence first and write it out loud. Let's think about a sentence we could write about this picture. Who or what is in the picture? I see a girl and I see Biscuit. I think this time I'm going to make a choice to write about the girl. Now let's think about what the girl is doing. She is reading a story. Let's put that into a whole sentence because I want to make sure that it makes sense. The girl is reading a story. Let's say it one more time to make sure that it came out right and makes sense. The girl is reading a story. Oh, okay, that sentence makes sense, so now I can write it. When I write a sentence, I always start with a capital letter. My first word of my sentence is the. The starts with T, so I'm going to make a capital T. The girl, 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 the girl. Oh, is a sight word, I know. I can spell is reading, reading, and I spell ing, I-N-G, reading a story, story. Oh, and all of my sentences have to end in punctuation, so let me think, is this sentence telling someone something, or am I asking someone something? The girl is reading a story. Well, I'm telling you guys that, so I'm going to use a period for my punctuation to end this. Okay, now I have to reread what I wrote to make sure it makes sense. The girl is reading a story. Does that make sense? Yeah, it does. It makes sense. Awesome. Now, remember last week we talked about subjects and predicates? We said that every sentence has two parts. So the first part is the who or the what of the sentence. We call that the subject. The subject of the sentence is the who or what. So let's reread my sentence and think about the who or what. The girl is reading a story. Let's think, who or what is the sentence talking about? You're right. The sentence is talking about the girl. I'm going to underline the subject in red. The girl, because it is who or what the sentence is talking about. And I'm going to write subject underneath. Now, the predicate of the sentence is what doing, what the subject is doing or is. So let me think. We know that the subject is the girl. What is the girl doing? Let's think about it. Did you say that the girl is reading a story? You are right. I'm going to circle the predicate in blue. The predicate of my sentence is reading a story, and I'm going to label that predicate. Very good, finding the subject and predicate of the sentence. Friends, you did a great job finding the who or what, which is the subject of the sentence, and the what doing, the predicate of the sentence. You're going to go practice making some complete sentences now yourself. Have a great time and remember to call us if you have any questions. Bye-bye.